A sweeping drone glides over the breathtaking landscapes of Northern Iceland, where deep, untouched canyons meet emerald valleys and steaming geothermal fields rise from the earth like a living painting. This is a part of Iceland few ever truly see. Welcome to Northern Iceland, a land shaped by fire, ice and time. From dramatic coastlines to hidden waterfalls and stories carved into stone, let's uncover the region's best-kept secrets, far beyond the tourist trails. Hidden canyons. Our journey begins with the mesmerizing Aldeyjarfoss Canyon. Carved by glacial waters and time itself, its towering rock walls and turquoise river create a raw and powerful landscape. Just beyond lies Aspergi, a horseshoe-shaped canyon steeped in Icelandic legend. It's said that this canyon was formed by the hoofprint of Sleipnir, Odin's 8-legged horse, making it not only a geological wonder but a mythical one too. These natural giants stand silently waiting to be discovered, waterfalls and geothermal marvels. Next, we arrive at Aldeyjarfoss, one of Iceland's most dramatic waterfalls. Cascading down into a rugged amphitheatre of snow-dusted basalt columns, it roars with untamed beauty. Not far away, the otherworldly geothermal fields of Námaskarð await. Here the earth bubbles and hisses, spewing steam from deep below. Bright mineral hues paint the ground in yellows, oranges and reds, giving the area a surreal Martian quality. It's a living, breathing reminder of Iceland's volcanic heart. Coastal wonders. We then trace the windswept edge of the Hvítserkur Peninsula. Rising from the sea like a myth made real is Hvítserkur, a 15-metre-tall basalt sea stack shaped like a dragon drinking from the ocean. Legends call it a troll turned to stone by sunlight. Along these shores, keep your eyes peeled. You might spot playful seals lounging on the rocks or dipping into the icy waters. It's a stretch of coastline where folklore meets wildlife, remote valleys and Arctic isles. Continuing our exploration, we pass through the silent, hauntingly beautiful valley of Flateyjardalur. Once inhabited, now abandoned, it stretches between mountains and ocean, holding the memory of Iceland's past. Offshore, the islands of Hrísey and Grímsey offer even more solitude. Grímsey is especially unique. Straddling the Arctic Circle and brimming with seabirds, it's a wild, windswept world on the edge of the map. Cultural touchstones. Back in the town of Akureyri, culture and history breathe through its quaint streets. The Folk and Outsider Art Museum offers a glimpse into Icelandic creativity, showcasing works from both the celebrated and the unknown. Nearby, the medieval trading site of Gásir reminds us that this northern land has long been a crossroads of trade, storytelling and survival. Northern Iceland is more than its iconic landmarks. It's a living tapestry of hidden canyons, volcanic wonders, marine wildlife, and centuries of culture waiting to be discovered. If you're ready to wander off the beaten path and embrace the unknown, this is your invitation. Subscribe for more travel-related videos like this,